Hey guys, you're welcome to Styles by God. On this channel we do hair tutorials, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys a simple hairstyle you can try with Brazilian wool. Simple, cute and beautiful. Okay, let's get right into the video. Right now I'm cutting the hair, I'm parting it, and I'm using edge control to aid me a clean parting. So I'll ensure I mold the hair very well. That's what I'm doing right now. So after molding the hair so well, I'll go ahead with black rubber bands like you see them now and tie down the root of those hair. Then I will use crochet pin. Okay, let me tie the second one down, then I'll come back to tell you guys the way forward. This is me ensuring that the rubber band is very tight. Okay, you are going to take an amount of Brazilian wool that you are comfortable with. Bear in mind that this hair is thick and big hair, so we are not counting. That will lead to waste of time. So we'll take an amount we are comfortable with. But what I make sure that was that the size which I'm crocheting through the hair, I make sure that they are the same. We are not taking exact amount. What we do is the feelings we get from the hair is what we use throughout we take the measurement by feeling the hair. So I'll take like twice the size of the one I crocheted into the hair to start plaiting the hair from the root. First, the hair is hidden inside the Brazilian wool, so you are guaranteed of the hair lasting longer. Second, you started the root with crochet, so you're also guaranteed of lasting longer than usual. So now I've braided to the tips, and I'm tying the tips of the hair with a strand or two of the Brazilian wool. And make sure that I secure the end properly. To avoid the hair unraveling. This is further parting, and I'll just be fast about this so we can get to the end of the tutorial quickly. And when I'm done with all the patterns, I'll go ahead and do them now. When I'm done with them, we'll come back and talk to ourselves. And talk to you guys, please, not to ourselves. Alright, same way I crocheted some part of the Brazilian wool through the hair, like I told you guys before, no counting. We make sure that we use eye gauge and the feeling we get from our hand. I don't know if you can tell that. You can do that as well. So that's fine. So I'm going to take like twice of those of the amount I crocheted through the hair to start picking the hair or catching the hair. When I'm done catching, I will do the braids normally. I'll just like do your braid till the tips. So if you're the type having problem with catching of roots of big hair, this is a sure way for you. Make sure that you are securing the tips of your braid very well. Don't rush, so you will not have to. If there's a client hair you are doing, you have to be called. The client will not complain about how their hair is losing days after you braided their hair. Make sure you secure the tips properly. Then we are on the last part, same process, but I guess here you will see it vividly, so just keep watching. So at this point, I would like to say, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so to become a family member, as I'll be bringing you beautiful hairs. And please like this video so other people can see these videos as well. Please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos to your loved ones, to other platforms. Thank you. Now we are done with the hair process. I'm going to go ahead and cut the leftovers. That's the excess tips we are having here. Then I will say you go ahead to bond them. I'm not going to show how I'll be bonding them in this video. Go ahead to bond the tips. And here we have the finished look. I mean, look at this hair. Look at this gorgeousness. Look at this hair. The hair is so beautiful, so nice. So I will say again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. That's what I mean by liking this video. Share this video with friends and family. It's a crime for you to watch this gorgeous hairstyle and not like the video. So please now like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you guys for sticking around. For those that always support my video, please, thank you for always liking, thank you for always sharing. Thank you. You guys are the reason why I keep coming back to this channel. Thank you guys. Bye.